In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP LaserJet M111w printer. In this printer, the paper is not coming out and there is a light flashing on the printer screen. I'll show you that. So that's the flashing light. So open the chamber, so lift this section up and you should be able to see a paper stuck inside. If you don't see it, take the ink cartridge out. So slide it out. So here we can see there is a paper stuck here, and just check inside if any other paper is stuck or not. Just release the paper once everything is clear. Once everything is clear inside, we can install the ink toner again. Now place the toner here, so just slide it in. Close it, wait for the light to go away. So I'm going to send the print command again to check if it's working or not. Yeah, so it is working. So this way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.